Hi, I'm Lisa McDonald. I'm a general election candidate for Fianna Fáil here in Wexford. Wexford has long since been ignored and neglected by this government, and my main priorities and what the issues that I'm fighting on are health, housing and education, quality jobs for Wexford, and of course the appalling vista that is the services that are mental health services here in Wexford. People are suffering needlessly. It needs to be changed. We need better quality healthcare that's accessible to all. We need more affordable houses and social housing to be made readily available, not the massive delays that we see currently. We need to see our young people being in a position to access second level education in their own hometown. We require a third level university of the South East. We need a Wexford that works for everybody, not just a few. That is my aim as a Fianna Fáil candidate. I would hope as a TD that I could be the strong voice for Wexford that would bring everybody here together. We need somebody to fight for the rights of the people of Wexford. I've been fighting for rights of the people of Wexford for many, many years now, both as a solicitor and as a county councillor. And I would love to be in a position to do that and play the game for Wexford in Dáil Éireann.